free hinene, ahene free to odman kuma ho, ahene free hinene, ahene free to odman kuma ho, onyame obo osoro ba asase, ono ara no ba ahene me biso asante maso, asante sikadwa free nyame so, asante ahene free odman kuma ho, asante sikadwa free nyame.
Wono wo kotoni mabosume no ne da toso nsia ewo afi apem ahenkono adunum na otoso bako enum ewo ne maame ene ne papa emamu edi ode ma no eye berema kwa ekudua opemso eba bedi ni nua berema pani ade Otumfuo opokuware a otoso mienu wo afi apem ahenkono aduokonkron ewo mei bosumi no mu
The Santa Casem can't say. Or telling people anonymous. Or telling people to near my pump on anonymous. The night my grandparent anonymous. No, but no state with me. You know, people to me. And yes, come back. I'm not going to pass on to mine. I'm not going to some more. Some of you go talk to me, no. It's maybe about that was. Let my man of prayer. Enemy say, Papa, wife, and my I'm going
Nkakran tetie enim penfo nimdie bia omutime ede bon ne ho ban ne titiripa no no ankasa no ofa ohene ba mensa bumsu enam so emprempren Otumfuo ahenie aba be ye kese ewo wiase mfa na nyina na opemso betena banwa yi so no ade ba ko manfo bebre ede bon aba so ede kai no eye se bia ntawantawo bi abeda nipa mienu bentam na metime ho ase ema santawantawo na ba wache no pemso timi besiesie ema sumbi ba.
If you look back the two previous transitions, anytime there was conflict, he stood between them and ensured that there was a peaceful transition. Even in government, anytime there's disagreement between leaders, they run to him and he's able to bring calm. He has been a pillar of peace in Ghana.
It symbolizes unity, oneness, and bringing the Ashanti Kingdom back to its heights again. For me, as the Minister for Chieftaincy, he's been a pillar. He guides me with a lot of wisdom, which I've learned from him. But he also comes handy when I have problems with chieftaincy disputes. He offers more of a counseling to me, and also link up with all the paramounts in the country for me.
And Sason Sama Etima Babada Santimem was say wo in February Brimuno, Otumfuo to me by was yes yama, Asumgi Etima Bao.
Let's say Jamaica on the set. Get here. Who made an enemy a country on the set? One Yano Yakayaka Dibia. What you said? Now the gram ran on an equal
Oshe, Obetra Benua, Sumfia Dunum, and Yamapa, why ye ama Asante, a tumpon, the true Efa Asante, and Kunyaman Susamo. And a rabbi, a mass hunting Kunyasem Kofo. Oh, my Yanam soon be brave. I was Santa Memma. Titru, Miamity. The Paconia Daho, if you do see. Now you see, you rabbi, I will soon mean see papa. No, I can't seminary.
Pemso edi akotini ye abra wodwani chirimua dagbon ehinsem bi ebaye na dimfinhia bebra na anipa pi etwa wombofo na agapade nyina esese no yesie sase moyi opemso edimu akotini pa.
We all know why we are here. It's about the circumstances that happened in Yenke and the Gabon Kingdom. We have had a series of meetings for the last 2 years, all in our attempt to find solutions to the problems that is on hand. We all agreed in the beginning that the aspect of the criminal side as to who killed the Yana must be left to the government and the intelligence agencies to investigate. The government formed this committee as traditional rulers to find the traditional solution to the problem we have in Dabo. In going the traditional way, the Yabunra, the Nairi, myself, together with our sons, the Yabudus and the Andanis, we formulated a policy on the way forward.
Onuma, Wamutire Diabo Monanso, Capreba, Enifio and Campus, or Matin de Atong Messiono, Otumfuo Education Funded by Nabo Manfo Bibra, almost 20 million dance here.
For the youth, we see him as a epitome of inspiration. He inspires hope into us. Because of the educational fund he has brought, a lot of us believe that we still have leaders in Ghana who can make impact for the next generation to benefit out of it.
Opemso ono ena oye chancellor Edema Kwame Nkrumah suapon mu so otimabo no modin wo ho aboa ema sedie amanfo bebere nsu betimi anya nimde anya ntete no ewa abefo kwa so nyina ade abaako asa aba bahwem kura no eye hill konfanoche eye project wade aba egusu aye per American $4 ebrabuni million besidu na yetimenye sika ade yensiesie sede be ya baby a obi eho etechima baby obi ho fa no a obetima akọ apom den no eno so etimi akọ animu yie
ya sabia si ampasi esi no kumase jo anso wo che Ghana mo wo fa dunsia na mood dumie no de ayarfo wo mu nyina ha me yeba jo wo fa na mo kasa e mo regency e mood dumie no de aha eba ha jo so me hweye no eye nimguase me nyinara so doctor say wo ho wo hwea mfidie kwa de be aduma kwa ni nyina nya so mo so anya politics assembly anya me no nyina wasi e kwan ya de be ya amana ye so ya ka ya so amana ye so na o se ya so
ade ma brembe wo fasina na na de ye ni ajepa singo bone singo
Bashano so a wo afi apem ahanwotwe ene aduoson enan mekira 1874 se granty war ya etimi ba so a aborofo yi ene asanteman ebedi akon na empenfo so gide passes otimi fo etimi wa eya na orowo kawa etimi de fo abeti enoti aborofo yi ebomodin boyen esabra yisun esesa asanteman emprempna de a na wa se nyina no etimi ko nanso pemso ba ye obono modin ye etimi egwegwem emasabre di aborofo no asan edisa mpempena de ne pii asan abegbegu eye menhia
wontini ati baby o wosi breka to kuma he jajirae wontini awa wano ya de ye sayine wontini ati baby o mesika ngesio wontini ati baby o wanire wontini awa wano ya de ye sayine wontini awa wano ya de ye sayine wontini ati baby o mesika ngesio
sede ababe kasa eda honom se bema bia ebetimi adinkunim ana bema bia betima bon homoden a eya na yesen ewo ba onusu num de eta nachi Asantehene hokani Lady Julia Osei tutu omuso na famu de ede aboa ewura ema yewura agina benane ni nyina ene se Lady Julia enso etimi eye ne ho de se wose obetimi aboa ama ma nwomasuya etimi agina yie omanfo nso ye die mu betimi akonkan na afei ye betimi atai emachi ama omunso etimi eni nimdie apomede wansem so eka ho biye ba Ghana mampani nana arodanko Akufo-Addo abana dwumadie no ekwaso ewo fikisiem manhia na esanso ya akwaside no Ghana mampani bepiem wo hono mu a Ghana mampani ebaaye no ono so hwei ede nano etumu sede Otumfuo se tutu efa so a odi na henie amana ya akono ema obi anso edi so mfaso
Otumfuo se tutu the second has served as a symbol of unity, progress and tradition for the Asantehene and indeed for the entire nation of Ghana. Otumfuo's commitment to the welfare of his people coupled with his strong leadership, has earned him the respect and admiration of all. Under his reign, his dedication to improving the lives of his subjects and preserving the rich cultural heritage of Asante has been truly commendable, helping to ensure access to education for thousands and thousands of young Ghanaian children through the Otumfuo Education Fund, joining the fight against the spread of HIV and AIDS, re-energizing and modernizing the institution of chieftaincy, and putting an end to unnecessary chieftaincy disputes within Asantehene are but a few of his many achievements and successes as Asantehene.
Ahemfo adehye ona wakan bi ewum empanufo pepa nkoma omo firi Ghana memu ha omo emfiri Asante memu ha enafe omo nso firi akire ne benchama foforo so nyina eba bepie mu ewa akwasida etimi ekoso na yesan so ede hye Otumfuo anumunyam se obetena benwa no so no esiwani na ense ka kire.
The greatest challenge our nation faces is to redouble our efforts to grow our economy. Governments may come and go, but the nation remains, and democratic nations must look to their entrepreneurs for development. That is why we will continue to encourage our entrepreneurs to show their readiness to place their money where their mouth is and invest more in the country of their birth. Education remains our priority, but probably an even higher priority must be the reclamation of our environment from the ravages of Galamsey. We cannot be the generation that destroyed the most precious heritage bequeathed to us by our forefathers to satisfy the greed of a few miscreants. For whatever it takes, we must defeat this scourge.
Osei tutu a otosu mienu Otumfuo eye ohene popra otoso baako dunsia ewo Asante akonwa kese yesuo.
Continue to baby oh, wanyire. Continue to baby oh.